Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change cell size of table in Microsoft Publisher document. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show change cell size of a table, then we show table. This table change the cell size. Firstly, now click from column. Now move the left and right. That is. Then again another cells. Now from moved. That is. Then you show change cell of a table in Microsoft Publisher is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.